Hey friends, today I'll show you how to download Lumafusion, Pocreate, Shadow Rocket, and etc. Okay, first of all, go to your app store, buy some credit from your credit card, or you can also buy a gift card from Apple Store or your nearby shop. After that, you need to redeem your Apple ID card, or you can directly purchase from App Store. After that, you will see all the apps in your purchase section. After that, you can download all the apps in another device with your Apple ID. If you have two devices or three devices, you can easily download every application in your device. Okay, so first of all, go to your App Store, log in with your app ID. After that, connect and download all the apps